Hi, my name is Mark Molinoff, and I'm a practitioner at Raleigh Acupuncture in Raleigh, North Carolina. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the treatment of male infertility. We do a lot of fertility work in our clinic, and for the most part, women come in who are having trouble conceiving and getting pregnant or holding on to the pregnancy, and we have tremendous success helping them. But the fact of the matter is that in many cases, the man plays a role in this situation of infertility. And obviously, we don't want to go and find out why. We don't want to go and get checked. But it's something that's important to do if you're a couple and you're trying to get pregnant and you're not getting pregnant. It's important for the man to check as well. The good news is that if there's an issue with the male fertility, Chinese medicine and acupuncture works really, really well to resolve those problems. So basically, what are we talking about? For a man, you go in to a fertility clinic or even your doctor's office and you ask for a sperm test. And the results come back and they're going to show three factors. They're going to show sperm count, sperm motility, and morphology. And the count is obvious. You need to have a certain amount of sperm to do the job. And for a lot of guys, the sperm count is low. The second is motility, how it moves, how the sperm move. And it's like fish swimming. And if they're not swimming well, they're not going to get the job done either. And the third is less common, but it is a factor with some men, and that's morphology, meaning the shape of the sperm themselves, the heads of the sperm, need to be a certain shape to be effective to get the job done. Amazingly and miraculously, acupuncture can improve all three of these in the most natural, safe way. Why is that? Well, all fertility issues in Chinese medicine involve what we call the kidneys. Think of them as your Chinese kidneys. When we talk about organ function in Chinese medicine, we don't want to get people nervous like they're about to have kidney failure, which is simply not the case. But, this medicine was designed thousands of years ago, but it's still very applicable today. So anything regarding a male's fertility, if they're having an issue with their sperm, we're always going to look to the kidney function. And we use acupuncture and Chinese herbs to strengthen kidney function. It's what we do for women when we work with fertility. And when we do it for men, we get good results as well. We can improve sperm count, we can improve motility, and we can improve morphology by strengthening the kidney function. Now, guys, you may be asking, why are my kidneys weak? Well, there are a bunch of reasons for that. Some of them are, one is overwork, and this applies for everybody. If you're pushing too hard in your life, if you're pushing beyond what constitutionally is a good level of work for you, you're going to tax your kidney function. And when you do that, you get certain signs. And one of those signs is sexual function. Second of all, if you're under a tremendous amount of stress, stress damages everything. It damages all organ function, including kidney function. So if you're living with a lot of stress, if you have a stressful job, if there's a lot of pressure about starting a family, and we see this with women all the time, their stress levels are off the chart, and that makes getting pregnant even more difficult. Well, it affects men the same way. And third is, constitutionally, your kidneys may just be a little weak. We inherit, we think of DNA coming from our parents. Well, in Chinese medicine, it's the same concept. We inherit the strengths of our parents. And if our parents had somewhat weaker kidney function, that could be passed on to us, and it could impact us sexually. But no matter what the cause, and when you come in, we're going to do an assessment, and we're going to identify exactly what the issues are impacting your male infertility, and that's what we're going to treat for. So if it's just the kidneys, we'll treat your kidneys. If it's kidneys and stress or overworking or any other condition that may be leading to this, your treatment is going to be very holistic. It's going to be balancing, and it's going to be working on strengthening you completely, so you will have you can resolve this fertility issue. That's going to be critical in working with your wife to get pregnant. So if you have any questions, give us a call. Raleigh Acupuncture Associates. We look forward to hearing from you.